Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jenga blocks with paper. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need 27 sheets of standard letter-sized paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Also, grab a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a reliable glue stick. For extra precision and cleaner cuts, consider using a cutting mat and a craft knife. These tools will help ensure your paper blocks are uniform and sturdy for a great game. Now, let's start folding our paper to create strong, durable blocks. Take one sheet of paper and fold it lengthwise into 3 equal sections. Make sure to press down firmly to create sharp, crisp creases. Unfold the paper, then fold both long edges inward so they meet the first creases you just made. Finally, fold the paper in half lengthwise one more time, resulting in a narrow, multi-layered strip. This layering adds significant strength to your future blocks. With your folded strips ready, it's time to cut and secure them. Each strip should be cut into 3 equal segments. This means each segment will be approximately 3 2/3 inches long. Carefully apply a thin, even line of glue along one of the long edges of each segment. Then, press this glued edge firmly against the opposite long edge, forming a hollow rectangular prism. Make sure all the seams are tightly sealed to give your blocks maximum durability and a clean finish. Now, simply repeat the entire folding, cutting, and gluing process for all 27 sheets of paper. This will yield a total of 81 individual paper blocks. Each finished block should measure approximately 3 2/3 inches long, 1 inch wide, and about 1/3 of an inch thick. Once all your blocks are complete, you can stack them into the classic Jenga tower, with 3 blocks per layer, alternating directions. You're now ready to play your very own paper Jenga.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.